Hello, my friends. This is Eric Parker with One Number Tableau Experts, and we are excited that in a month we are going to be diving into a free webinar that we would love to see you at. That's about creating WCAG compliant dashboards in Tableau. So first off, if you're like, what did you just say? What was its acronym? So that's the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. This is applicable, beyond just the U.S., but seeing as we're in the U.S. and a lot of our clients are U.S. based, in 2024, the Department of Justice, the U.S. Federal Department of Justice, ruled that all state and local governments needed to create WCAG compliant websites, which would include anything that's embedded in a website or anything that's maybe even linked out from a website, such as Tableau dashboards. So the vision here is that you are able to create a comparable experience in your dashboards for somebody who is impaired as somebody who is not impaired, right? So if somebody is colorblind, if somebody is fully blind, if somebody has a physical restriction. The idea is, how do you create as comparable of an experience as possible? So we are going to take an hour on December 8th at 9 a.m. Pacific to dive into that conversation. We've actually helped numerous clients through this conversation already and to retrofit their content. And so let me just give you a small taste of some of the types of topics that we'll be covering in that webinar, okay? So first up, a lot of objects, and worksheets being one of those, in Tableau dashboards, you have the ability to add alt text, which is something that a screen reader will be able to access as you keyboard navigate your way through a dashboard. So Tableau does build some generic alt text, but it's often very, very clunky. So we will look at how do you customize this so that it is as smooth and as informative for your end users as possible. Okay. Next up would be creating text alternatives to different charts that maybe your user would have limited access to. So in this example that we found on Tableau Public, thanks San Bernardino Valley College for letting us use your example, they actually have a button where you can click Show Tables and it will flip every worksheet from a bar chart to a table. Now, the beauty of this is that anything that you use in a worksheet that maybe required some sort of visual interpretation, like let's say you put a field on color in that worksheet, ideally you provide an alternate way to access the information for users that have vision impairments, right? So in this case, they've got, in the original, they've got what percent of students are different age groups at their college, right? And then in the text alternative, they not only have that percentage, but they also have the count of students listed out, which is something that was not visible in the previous chart. Okay. One more example of something that we'll cover is how to create pop-up warning messages. So if your user makes an invalid selection in the filters, a warning actually comes up and it would say something like, please make a valid filter selection. Please select a valid city and state. So we'll walk you through why you would want to create that and also how you would create that so that it's a very seamless experience in Tableau. So those are just a few of the topics that we'll be covering. It's going to actually be a much larger conversation than just that, but I hope that that gives you an idea of what this is going to be about. So in the description, there's a link to where you can save your spot to the webinar, also an info button up here. Also, if you just go to our website, onenumber.biz, there is a bar at the top that talks about this event that you can select to register. So again, it's December 8th at 9 a.m. Pacific, and we hope to see you there. If you have any questions in the meantime, please do feel free to shoot me an email at eric.parker@onenumber.biz. And if you're an organization that's going through this and you're like, hey, we want to get a head start now ahead of this April deadline, you can even reach out to us now about, hey, we'd love to hear from you, show you what we're working with, and get an idea of the level of effort to do this. We could help you do your own custom project too. So thank you all so much. We hope to see you in a month, and we'll talk to you then.